Welcome again to Quickies. Today we have Mr. Edward Boss, filmmaker extraordinaire.
Hi, hello there.
So, what got you into film work in the first place?
I did a lot of film work in high school, and then I went to Full Sail in Orlando, and it's been my passion since I was a young man.
Would we find you on IMDb?
Yes, you can find me under Edward Boss, and you can see all my many projects.
Would you prefer film acting, filmmaking, or theater or film, or both, or what?
I prefer film. It's just my art, and what I've learned more is film, so that's what I enjoy more.
What do you think of Atlanta becoming the next Hollywood?
I think it's really great. I've worked on a lot of projects that have brought a lot economically to the town, which is really cool. I think it helps everyone when there's a movie going on. It creates a lot of jobs, so I think it's really great.
So what's been your favorite work so far, and why?
I think my favorite thing we did was Creature Feature. It's like a horror anthology. It was a lot of fun to film. It has a lot of unique elements that I really enjoyed.
What would you be doing right now if you weren't doing film work?
I think I would probably be trying to work on video games. That's kind of my other passion. I always want to do something creative where I can tell a story.
So who would you say are your Hollywood heroes?
I would say like Joss Whedon and Quentin Tarantino. They kind of made some of my favorite stuff and just sort of inspire me in terms of my work and kind of different stuff that I do. So they're definitely my idols, really.
So if I were to ask what Hollywood people you'd like to work with in the future, you would probably say those guys?
Yeah, definitely. And also, if we got a chance to work with Jensen Ackles and Jared Padalecki, that'd be really cool too.
So what are you doing film work-wise as of right now?
Right now we're working on pre-production for our next movie, Dark Roads, that will be filming in May, and we're also working on a web series that will be out by the end of this year.
Where do you see yourself years from now? What are your future plans?
Hopefully I'm still making movies. That's kind of my main plan, is just to keep on putting stuff out, keep doing work that I'm really proud of and really enjoying.
All right. So anything to leave us with, and plug any websites or movies or such?
Yeah, check out spiritworldfilms.com, and also our movie Realm of Souls, which is now on Amazon. You can also get it on Target, Walmart, BestBuy.com, and Brain Damage Films, who are a distributor. You can also buy it from them. Check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, Edward Boss.
Thank you for having me.
This is Ted. This is Quickies. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.